Mortgages and property finance. Buying a house, in fact, any kind of property, can be a total minefield. Not to dampen the mood, but did you know that the word mortgage comes from the old French term death pledge? Most people buy property using mortgages. A mortgage is basically a long-term, low-interest loan from a bank or building society. But there are other ways to buy property. Some people are fortunate enough to have a large enough sum of cash to not need a mortgage. There are more complex means, such as bridging finance. A bridging loan is a short-term, high-interest product that allows you to purchase property much more quickly than using a mortgage. Peer-to-peer lending platforms are appearing as an alternative to high street lenders. They allow more sophisticated investors to borrow money to purchase property, sell it for a profit, and then return the funds to the investor. As with everything, there are processes and procedures to raising finance from all the means mentioned. Mortgages are more closely regulated than bridging loans, other forms of development finance, and peer-to-peer lending. Always best to talk to a property finance specialist about the best way to fund that next purchase.